This is our collection. The collection of our freaking a lot cars that we spend many dollars. So let's we didn't know what all this. Tell me in the comments if you know this a lot or no. This this is this is the Dun buggy. The Dun buggy is like speed of 120 limit speed, but not armored because it's not bunch of armor. Second is the Wastellander. This has speed of limit 180 speed but no armor. Second, the Night Rider is much lower because it's kinda heavy, but 120 speed, no armor. And we got the School Bus. School Bus is a school bus that you can ride with it, but you can take kids to school, but it's not armored. And 100 speed only. So, second, um, third, fourth, fifth, we got the Hot Rod. It's not armored, but it's hot. But since it's boosted, there's a fire coming out in the engine. So it's called Hot Rod. Hot Rod. 160 max meat speed, but it goes up to 165 if you use booster. So 175, 172, 174, 173, 172, 171 max speed or low natures. It might may get there at speed, but no armored. Six, you got the fire truck. Fire truck that you can put the siren. It has sirens, and the Wastellander 2 has the has the has the has that, but other cars don't. This is 120 speed and it's same as the Night Rider speed in the Dune buggy. And this is kind of slow, 100, but not armored. This is the tank. This has infinite powers. That it has cannons, armored, armored. But 65. This is the slowest car, but it's invincible. It many boss, many track gangsters. He can defeat it. He can defeat anyone. If you PvP with this, you- you're gonna be crushed. Next is the monster. Is monster. It has designs on it, but it's blue, which is 160 max speed, and that's kinda fast. As fast as the Hot Wheels, but it goes 180, is much more fast. Say, and This is the ambulance. 180 is same as was the land speed. This has a siren too. So speed 180. Next speed. Pagkatapos na ito, sandali. So, this is the wire. This is the biggest car, but it's fast. This is not kind of heavy. It's kind of fast as this wire. This is the biggest space to put in your designs, in your dreams too. It's not armored. It has all armors. Please, look Apocalypse on. Put armor in there. What? Nakatapos, sandali. Sige. This is the LTU is not seeing because there's a barrier, but it's armored. It is armored, but it's low speed. Why? Why? Look Apocalypse owner, please, 200 max speed, please. Sandali nga! So this is the beats. Maybe we should. This is the beast. It's clearly a beast. It has armor. Look like this. It has armor. 120 max speed. And the Enforcer 140. Kinda fast mo than this. Something more speed than this. So the last one. The fastest. Bye bye guys.